C2H4 is react with, so then it will form C2H6, it will form. So here rate is directly proportional to the concentration of C2H4, so that's why it will come under what? First order reaction. So second example for this one is decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide, N2O5. So for this reaction will be like this. So 2N2O5 will decompose and it will form NO2 plus NO2, 2NO2 plus half O2, it will come, right? So next one, third example is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. H2O2 will decompose like this. 2H2O2 gives rise, so H2O, 2H2O plus O2, it will form. This is one of the example for chemical kinetics first order reaction. And fourth example, decomposition of ammonium nitrate, NH4NO2, right? It will decompose NH4NO2 will decompose and it will form N2 plus 2H2O, it will form. This is one of the best example. And one more example, decomposition of thionyl chloride, SO2Cl2. It will decompose and it will form SO2Cl2 will decompose and it will form SO2 plus Cl2, right? So next one more example for chemical kinetics first order reaction is cyclopropane into propene. So this reaction will be like this. Cyclopropane structure is like this. Cyclopropane will be CH double bond CH2. This is one of the example. And one nucleophilic substitution reaction, OH minus, so then it will be CH3 taken thrice and tertiary butyl chloride, CH3 and OH will come, right? One more example is, so if I am taking picric acid, COOH, NO2 and NO2, right? In this one, so carbon dioxide will be eliminated in this process. So this is also come under what? Chemical kinetics first order example. So this is NO2 and NO2 and NO2, right? Here hydrogen will be there as it is and carbon dioxide here. This is come under what? First order reaction. And next question is hydrolysis of diazonium salt. Hydrolysis of diazonium salt also come under chemical kinetics first order reaction. Here diazonium salt is nothing but benzene will have N2 plus Cl minus plus H2O, it will form phenol plus HCl will come. And one more example for chemical kinetics. Here you see for concentration, when we are taking rate versus concentration, how this type of graphs will come, you see. So rate is equal to what? Rate is equal to K into concentration to the power of 1. So it seems to be what? Y is equal to mx type of curve. Y is equal to mx curves will passing through what? Origin. So that's why this is with respect to what? Rate versus concentration. Now you see rate versus time. When we are taking rate versus time, so initial time rate will be more. When time is going on, rate will be decreased. Why? Because concentration of reactants will be decreased. So that's why rate also decreases like this, right? Now you go for T half versus initial concentration. So we have a formula regarding half-life. Half-life time of first order reaction is what? T half is equal to 0.693 by K. So in this one, initial concentration is not there. So means initial concentration, T half does not depend on initial concentration. So that T half will be constant with respect to what? Initial concentration. Means T half is directly proportional to 1 by a to the power of n minus 1. This is formula. So if n is equal to 1 you take, so T half is equal to what? T half is equal to k into 1 will come. So T half is equal to constant, so that's why. So this is right with respect to T half versus concentration. When concentration of reactants on x-axis, y-axis, and constant time will be on x-axis. When time is 0, when time is 0 means reactant concentration will be more. When time is going on, reactant concentration will be decreased. Why? Because reactants are going to form products. Product formation will, when product formation started, then concentration of reactants will be decreased. Here you see concentration of product with respect to time. When concentration will be 0, when time is equal to 0, then concentration of product will be 0. When time is going on, concentration of product will be increased. Why? Because reactants to product, when reactant concentration is decreased, absolutely the concentration of products will be increased. These are the different types of graphical representation with respect to chemical kinetics first order.